Hello, my name is Gail Morton, and I'm going to show you how to use CINAHL Plus full text from EBSCO. So we're going to start out at the library's main site at libraries.mersa.edu. I'm going to draw your attention down here under this large search box. We're going to go to Databases A to Z. I'm going to bring you down here. We're going to click on C for CINAHL. If you scroll down a little bit, it's all alphabetical. Here's CINAHL Plus with full text. Okay, I'm going to do a very basic search, and I'm going to show you how to put a few limiters in. Let's try air pollution and children's health. Okay, you see the word "and" right here? That just connects these two subjects together. This is how you limit your results down here. So I'm going to click on full text. Peer reviewed. Just a quick, peer reviewed is it's an article written by someone with a PhD, and they sent it off to a panel of other people in the same degree with PhDs and said, yeah, we're going to publish this in a certain journal. So it's academic in nature. Let's see. This is a popular one. Any nurse is an author. And another one, especially for health sciences, is the publication date. I'm going to click on the past 5 years. And then I'm going to click on the search box. Okay. Here's my results. Let's see. I'm going to click on this one. Looks good. And I just want to point this out, a citation tool right here. Cite. Here, and there's all kinds of citations in here, but I'm going to stick to here. 7th edition. And here's my citation. This isn't right. A lot of the generators, citation generators, the information is there, but the format is wrong. If you need help with citations, please come to the library or contact a librarian, and we can sit with you and go over that. Okay, I'm going to access the article in a PDF. Alright, and there it is. You have the publication's contents. This doesn't always happen, but it's nice that it's here for this article. And that's how you search CINAHL Plus full text from EBSCO.